Hey y'all, it's me. I am preheating the oven, and I am cutting up some beautiful, oh gosh, lighting situation is not good. Hang on. Let's try this. Okay, hang on just a second. Hang on. Now, remember how we talked about things get worse before. If I could just, okay. If I could just, hang on. 1 minute. You know what? I'd rather cook in the semi-darkness. Okay. And it's still glaring because of the sunlight. Oh, hang on. This is gonna... Maybe this... Okay, we can do this. This will work. Alright. Everybody's always like, Leslie, make us something that's budget friendly. Make us something that's easy. I got you. I seen this on a Facebook video, and it's very generic. Any kind of meat will work here. Any kind of vegetables will work here. I'm doing Yukon Gold potatoes. Okay, hang on. I've got the countertops all cluttered up because I've been organizing, and I'm still not organized. So there's that. Okay, now, so we're gonna do. Oh Lord. Look. Okay. We're gonna do a 1-pan deal. Alright, we're gonna start off with a this is a reusable or a disposable. I use these all the time. Guys, I cannot even tell you how easy this is. Okay. I cut up some Yukon Gold potatoes. They're going in the bottom of the pan. And we'll cut up a few more because the pan is not quite covered. Oh Lord, get up here. Okay. I've got to be really careful with my turkey egg. Okay, hang on. No, there's nothing about me right now. There's nothing about my life, my house, nothing that's organized in any way. I'm working on it. I'm spring cleaning. It's going to get worse before it gets better. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna pop these potatoes over here in this pan. This is so simple. And the fact is that this is how I should be eating every night. Okay. Potatoes in pan. Now, got some of these green beans because that's what we've got. So here's the deal, pickle. I can break the ends off these. anyway. I really don't want to fool with doing all that. Just to be honest with you. I think that'll be fine. Okay. We're going to get the major stems. We're going to put them in there kind of just like that. If I had more time, I wouldn't care to kind of go through and actually break them. My oven is up to temp. 375, y'all. That's what we're looking for here. Okay. We need a nice layer of green beans. Now, we're going to do a little drizz of olive oil. Like this. Okay. We need some seasoning. Okay. A little salt. Redmond's real salt. Love this stuff. And this beautiful. Oh, yes, it's very good. This is a nice little seasoning. Alright, now, lastly, we're going to get, that's bread. Oh gosh. Here it is. Okay. We're going to do, now again, you do whatever chicken or whatever you could even do. You could even make this simple and do frozen meatballs. I mean, it's that simple, okay? Whatever protein you want, okay? Pork, chicken, whatever cut of chicken. For budget reasons, $4.62. I got these gorgeous bone-in chicken thighs. I'm laying them. Look, I'm laying them right on top of these veggies. Okay. Don't tell anybody. Okay, we're gonna lay them right on top. 4 big honking pieces. Now, we love chicken thighs, okay? Like, me and Anthony, that's like, honestly, our preference in chicken. I love a chicken thigh. Hey, Beverly, tell Rachel she left her grilled chicken seasoning here, and I'm using it. It's good stuff. Tell her I'll buy her a new bottle. We're going to hit it with this Kinder's grilled chicken seasoning. Just like that right there. Then we're going to come back in here, because I like the paprika in this seasoning. Look, color. Look, color. Alright. Now, let's give these a little spray. Kind of brown up the tops of that chicken. Look how easy this is, guys. Alright. Now, finally, we're going to take this garlic. This is so easy. And it's going to turn out amazing. Wait till you see. This is garlic Parmesan wing sauce. Okay? This was like $1, or no, like $2.27. And you're definitely going to be able to use this more than once. It's garlic Parmesan wing sauce. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to drizz that on top of this chicken, just on the chicken. It's going to slide on off there. Okay. This is going to go down in this pan. Okay, and it's going to mix up with all the juices and the things, and it's going to make a sauce. And y'all, this looked so flipping amazing on the video. I hope. If it just gives us part of that. Plus the chicken's going to have a real crispy skin. Okay. Gosh. Now, that's all we got to do right there. And we're going to pop this in a 75 degree oven for like an hour, uncovered. We're going to let it do its thing, okay? Now I'm going to come back when we get ready to eat and plate this up. And hopefully by then I'll have this table cleared off. I'm working on it. And I'll show you guys how it turned out. But look how simple that was. Let's get it in the oven. Dinner's on, baby. 1 hour. See y'all then.